Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 26, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayon July 26, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, July 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 26, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 15 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 52 million pesos for Friday, July 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 26, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.